myself Amit Kumar, working as assistant professor in Civil Engineering Department, RPIT Technical Medical Campus. Today I have come a new topic on a green concrete. So first one, what is concrete? Concrete is a mixture of cement, sand, water, and coarse aggregate which can be poured into a formwork and form a hard structure like a stone. Types of concrete: reinforced cement concrete, that is RCC, plain cement concrete, ready mix concrete, lightweight concrete, fiber reinforced concrete, and green concrete. So I will discuss about green concrete. So green concrete is revolutionary topic in the history of concrete industry that is invented in Denmark in the year of 1998. Green concrete, a type of concrete, is much like conventional concrete, but the production of such concrete require minimum amount of energy and less harm to environment. Green concrete has nothing to do with color. This type of concrete are made up of concrete waste and require less energy in production and produce less carbon dioxide than normal concrete. This type of concrete is also called eco-friendly and reduce environmental impact, that is energy saving, carbon dioxide oxide emission and wastewater. Why green concrete? The main ingredient of cement, it consists of limestone, that is calcium carbonate CoCO3. During manufacturing of this cement, this is heated about 800 degrees Celsius to 10,000 degrees Celsius. During this process, carbon dioxide gas is driven off. Approximately 1 kilogram cement release about 900 grams of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Therefore, green concrete is came in accidents and reduce the emission of carbon dioxide. Material used for green concrete: recycling demolition waste aggregate, recycling concrete aggregate, blast furnace slag, manufacturing sand, glass aggregate, and fly ash. What is fly ash? Fly ash is a product produced during the operation of coal fire power plant. The fine divided particles from the exhaust gas are collected in electrostatic precipitators. These fine particles are also called fly ash. Advantage of fly ash in concrete: utilization of fly ash are the replacement of cement and mineral admixture in concrete, same on cement and the emission of carbon dioxide. Use of good quality fly ash in concrete has shown a remarkable improvement in durability and aggressive environment. Application of green concrete: it can be used in the construction of bridge, it can be used for building construction, used in construction of column, and can be used in road construction. Stability of green concrete in a structure: no environmental pollution and sustainable development. Green concrete require less maintenance and repairs. Advantage of green concrete: green concrete have better workability than conventional concrete. Reduction in shrinkage and creep. Green concrete use local and recycled material in concrete. Green concrete having thermal resistance and fire resistance. Conclusion of green concrete: green concrete have reduced environmental impact with reduction of concrete industry carbon dioxide about 30%. Green concrete is a good thermal and fire resistance. In this concrete, recycling or use of waste material such as ceramic waste aggregate, so concrete industry use of waste product about 20%. Hence, green concrete consume less energy and become economical. So definitely use of green concrete in future will not reduce the emission of carbon dioxide in the environment and environmental impact, but also economical to produce. Thank you very much.